Welcome everyone. My name is Ananda Kripa, Topic Media, your host and moderator for Coffee with Roma. We bring to you topics on financial health planning and wealth management and securing your financial future, from health insurance to Social Security. Our expert professional, Roman Patadia, is here to answer your questions. Roma Patadia, CEO and founder of Affordable Insurance and Financial Services, with over 16 years of experience in financial services. She is here to answer all of your questions. Our topic today: longevity and planning for your future. The coronavirus is making more people think about the importance of life, Social Security, premium finance, life insurance, and financial health planning to protect their families if anything happens to them. Even if they're healthy right now, understanding your policy and how COVID-19 might affect your coverage is important for both you and your family. Roma, how do you secure and how secure is your future?
Good morning, everyone, and thanks for having this opportunity to share very important information, especially for the secure the future. Future is all about, and I'm glad to have an opportunity to share my experience, especially my future, and at the same time, my client surrounding me. Their future is also important for me. See, guarantee income for paycheck and playcheck is a very important. Now you will say, what is the paycheck and playcheck?
I love that. Paycheck,
right?
Playcheck, that's so awesome.
Right? So paycheck and playcheck. Paycheck means you are, every month, there is a basic expenses, all about the bills, light bill, water bill, property tax, insurance. Even though your house is paid up, but property tax and insurance is ongoing expense. Cloth, all, not a cloth, let's say cloth with the paycheck, but the basic cable, all are definitely, you know, the number of bill you are paying. $1 or $2 here and there is a different story. But you know that this is the amount you need every month. And food, you know that this is the amount you need every month. So you cannot avoid that. That's a paycheck. So you are paying a check for that definitely. You have to make sure on age 65 and up, you have to manage that amount in your incoming income from the Social Security or pension. That is the only two way. Guarantee income is coming. So that is a paycheck. So you know that Social Security has a fixed number of amount is coming in your pocket. Pension is the second guarantee amount you are coming in your bank account. But would you tell me how many company is paying a pension? Barely 1% company is paying a pension.
We're seeing also companies cut pensions. It's like,
exactly, right?
And a lot of people don't understand that, Roma. They don't understand how important that is.
Right. So that is, so we cannot rely on any other income like a 401k. You know that right now, pandemic going on. Do you understand 401k already turned into 201k and 101k? How come you manage on that one to believe on the paycheck? So Social Security is only the right kind of 90% we can depends on Social Security income, which is guarantee, you know that this is the amount you're going to commit. Social Security is only, they are not cutting what you once you got it. Not only that, the second spouse, until second spouse, you are secured that something happened to me. My spouse is secured because of the Social Security income. And Social Security income is only the paycheck. Now, let's say playcheck. Don't you think that's an interesting word as a playcheck?
I love this. Roma, is this something that you put together? Is this your terminology? Because, you know, some of these financial terms, they're so difficult for me to understand. It's like I have to take a course just to understand how to manage my Social Security or my health insurance or, you know, my financial services. So I love this. Paycheck.
Exactly, right? So on the paycheck is entire life. We work so hard and we avoid and we did responsibility as well. Don't you think now we deserve great vacation, great lifestyle? Whatever we deserve way more than whatever we think. Until and now, until before 65, before retired, always responsibility. We work because of kids. We work because of we have to pay some tax bills. We work because of kids' education. We work because of kids' marriage. We work because of paying, my property tax. We work because of this. When did we enjoy the vacation? What is the meaning of retirement? Retirement, what the retirement people do? Every Saturday, don't you think retired lady go do some nails and this and that and enjoy? Retirement supposed to be every day, supposed to be Saturday. 7 days. Go on beach, relax, and go in RV, do the world tour. That is the meaning of retirement. So don't you think we're supposed to have income for that as well, to enjoy that vacation? Otherwise, how come we do and we delay? Remember, we always say we will do later in case of something. We do later in case of something. We do vacation. No, I want to go to Paris. But no, I will go after my retirement. In case something I need it. In case, vacation supposed not to be for in case. Retirement supposed not to be for in case. Retirement supposed to be retirement. I am retired. I want to go. I want to do whatever I want to do. I can go with my dog and I go with my best friend to go on vacation. I want a nice restaurant. I want to enjoy that. I want to do everyday spa. That is the retirement. But because when we are working, that time we are not thinking about retirement. So now we are retired. We suppose not to think about anything and enjoy our life the way we supposed to. That is the retirement. That is the paycheck. And that is we supposed to have at least some amount and up. Paycheck supposed to be guaranteed as well. At least 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, depends on. But if you that manage now, then you can do later on that time. So retirement is a very important. Retirement supposed not to be in case something happened. Retirement is a 7 days, is a Saturday. That is the way supposed to do as a retirement.
Now, let me ask you, now during the coronavirus pandemic, delaying or postponing Social Security may seem like a bigger wild card more than ever. Making the call during the coronavirus pandemic can raise the stakes. If you claim as soon as you're eligible, which is 62, you'll receive reduced benefits for starting early. But if you wait until your full retirement age, which is typically like 66, 67, depending the year you were born, you stand to receive 100% of your benefits, but during the times right now, is it the time to wait? So Roma, can you give our viewers some information on what is the best option right now with Social Security during the current post-COVID life?
Yes. That is also another best question. The reason is been, people think that in case I'm going to die tomorrow, who's seen tomorrow? In case Social Security run out, and if I don't get money, in case, actually, that is the people is talking is only on the coffee shop, on the McDonald's, all other people is been talking. That is not a right talk. Actually, check it out. On mysocialsecurity.com, mysocialsecurity.gov, just check it out over there and see what is the difference. What is the difference between if you withdraw on age 62 and if you withdraw on age 70? It is going to be there. It's your Social Security. So you're supposed to check it out on my Social Security account or give them a call and ask them. Do not listen whatever the Madanos, so-called our senior citizen friends are talking, so-called media has been talking, who do not have a clue even what they are talking about. How they supposed to be managed that retirement. Retirement is, do you know that? Second to die? See, depends on, okay? Like example, husband and wife, there is two people. One person is making good money. That is a count as a breadwinner. But the other spouse is making like average money. We have to check it out. Who's supposed to withdraw early and who's supposed to wait? The reason is been, when the one spouse is not available, the second spouse will get the bigger check. Bigger check. Example, husband is making very good money and their Social Security is very high. He is like a hardware engineer or computer engineer, doctor, or very high profile. So their Social Security is huge difference if they withdraw on age 62 instead of age 70 is a huge difference. And wife is like a housewife and making some time go work to enjoy herself, and that's why the spouse is working, or some reason spouse has another other responsibility for the families and all that things. So depends on the spouse Social Security is less amount. Then if you really want to enjoy, yeah, out of the two, husband and wife, whose Social Security check is small, withdraw that if you want to withdraw early. So that is like a guarantee income is coming to now to until become age 70. And age 70 is a huge check that is the lifetime coming for the spouse. And don't you think so many times husband and wife has a difference, 15 year, 10 year, 12 year. That 15 year, 12 year, 10 year, huge check is coming for the second spouse. So out of the husband and wife, two people whose check, one person is die, then the second spouse getting Social Security, whatever the highest number. If the husband's number is high, that check is been getting. Wife number is high, that check is going. So both spouse is connected with the Social Security income with the early retirement and take a late retirement. I always insist before make any decision. That's my client is doing all the time. They are asking me and say, hey Roma, I'm 62. Can I start get retirement because I'm already 62? Hold on, wait. Did you check it out? How much did you work? How much you paid Social Security? What is in your Social Security account? How about your spouse? How old she is? Where she is planning? Oh, she didn't work. She did this. She did barely. She has a lose. That is the difference. So before you start, you have to contact to the financial advisor or at least Social Security office to check it out, whoever getting the best one. Otherwise, once you already withdraw the higher amount, persons, family members, Social Security already started early, then you cannot do it. It's just like it gone for the lifetime. And that is entire life. Now it's a longevity risk. Longevity risk. Let me give you example, simple example. My mom. Yesterday I was busy with her. Okay, my mom. She's 83. She got a cancer in 2008. Doctor told her that she has a life 2 years or 2 days or 2 months. We don't know how long she has a life. Don't you think right now she's 84 and she's so healthy and wealthy right now, enjoying her vacation, enjoying her Social Security, and also enjoying the lifestyle whatever she deserves. Yeah, because of age, little bit here and there, go to the doctor for annual checkup, this and that. It's a different story. But cancer survivor is also living 10-year, 12-year, 15-year life. Now, longevity risk is the very important. We have to think about longevity risk, inflation, defamation, deflation, withdraw early, late retirement, all that things is connected with our lifestyle. And early withdraw or late withdraw, everything is need to be do the calculation. Calculation is very important. People think that, oh, it's Social Security is number game. No, it's not a number game. And yes, it is a number game. You think that your life gonna be within a 10 year, 2 year, it will be die. No. Now people is living life 80 year, 90 year. I have so many friends. Their grandma is 101 year birthday we are celebrating. So think about longevity risk. Think about what you're supposed to sit down with the financial advisor, Social Security admin office. They are willing to help you. We are willing to make you understand how the things work.
Thank you, Roma. Again, Coffee with Roma, another episode. Today, longevity and planning for your future. If you're looking for financial advice, health insurance advice, or Social Security, please contact Roma Patadi at 972-693-3315. Again, my name is Ananda, your moderator and host. We will see you for our next episode of Coffee with Roma. Thank you.